In the heart of Zhejiang province lies the city of Yiwu, long known as the world's supermarket. But today, it's become something far more extraordinary. What was once a hub for trade and small goods has now transformed into the epicenter of China's next great technological revolution. The Yiwu Global Trade Hub, already one of the largest markets on Earth, has just unveiled something that has the entire world talking next-generation AI robotics that are redefining the boundaries of what's humanly and mechanically possible. Inside this vast complex, stretching as far as the eye can see, an army of intelligent robots moves with precision that seems almost alive. They scan, sort, package, and deliver millions of products daily, but it's not just about automation anymore. These robots can think, learn, and adapt in real time. They use advanced neural networks and vision systems that allow them to recognize thousands of different items, adjust their speed according to workflow, and even cooperate with other robots seamlessly. Every corner of the Yiwu Trade Hub feels like stepping into a scene from the future. What used to take hundreds of workers now happens in minutes. Autonomous delivery vehicles navigate narrow corridors without collisions, robotic arms arrange fragile items with perfect care, and AI-powered drones hover above, monitoring inventory and efficiency from the air. This is not science fiction, it's China's new reality. The system that powers it all runs on an AI infrastructure developed by some of China's brightest minds, combining machine learning, computer vision, and predictive analytics. Each robot is connected to a central brain that constantly processes data from thousands of sensors. When demand spikes in one area, the AI instantly reassigns resources, ensuring zero downtime and maximum efficiency. It's a living, breathing network of intelligence, a robotic ecosystem that evolves every second. China's ambition here goes beyond convenience or cost-cutting. This project represents a national vision to create self-sustaining smart logistics hubs that can operate 24/7 without human supervision. Imagine warehouses that never sleep, trade networks that manage themselves, and supply chains that predict needs before they arise. That's what's happening right now at Yiwu. Even the transportation systems inside the hub have been revolutionized. Self-driving trucks carry shipments across sections of the complex with laser-guided precision. Robotic forklifts stack cargo in perfect alignment, all while communicating through an invisible web of AI signals. There's no shouting, no confusion, just silent, synchronized movement. It's efficiency on a level the world has never seen before. But the real story here isn't just about machines replacing humans. It's about collaboration between human creativity and artificial intelligence. Engineers, programmers, and technicians are working alongside robots, constantly upgrading their capabilities and teaching them to handle new challenges. Every improvement learned here is being fed back into the system, making the next generation of robots even smarter. The scale of the Yiwu AI project is staggering. Covering millions of square feet, it handles products from over 200 countries. With the integration of intelligent robotics, it can process and ship goods at a speed unmatched by any other trade hub on the planet. This is where technology meets commerce, and together they are building the blueprint for the future of global trade. Observers from around the world have been stunned by what they've witnessed. From Europe to the US, experts are calling Yiwu's AI-powered logistics network the future of supply chain management. Some even say it represents the dawn of a new industrial revolution, one powered not by oil or electricity, but by pure data and artificial intelligence. Every detail has been meticulously planned. Energy-efficient systems regulate lighting and temperature automatically. Predictive maintenance ensures that robots never break down unexpectedly. The AI tracks every movement, every shipment, every delay, and learns from it, constantly improving. This isn't just automation. It's evolution in real time. And perhaps the most incredible part, the integration of emotion-like algorithms. Some of these next-gen robots can actually interpret human gestures and tone of voice. They can detect stress or confusion and respond accordingly, creating smoother collaboration between humans and machines. It's not about replacing people. It's about enhancing human potential with intelligence that never tires and precision that never falters. The Yiwu Trade Hub has now become a symbol, a demonstration of China's unstoppable push toward AI dominance. Where others see limits, China sees opportunity. Where others hesitate, China builds. The speed of innovation here defies traditional thinking, and what's being tested at Yiwu today could soon spread across factories, ports, and entire cities. From the outside, the complex might look like a massive industrial zone. But inside it's something else entirely, a living organism powered by artificial minds. Conveyor belts glide silently as robotic arms sort endless streams of products. Drones zip overhead delivering parts and collecting data. It's a ballet of precision and intelligence choreographed entirely by code. Every advancement made here strengthens China's position as the global leader in AI-powered infrastructure. The lessons learned from Yiwu are already being used to develop next-gen ports, smart cities, and automated manufacturing zones. It's not just about trade, it's about reshaping the foundation of how the modern world operates. As the world watches, one thing becomes clear: the line between imagination and reality is disappearing in China. What was once thought impossible is now routine. The future isn't coming, it's already arrived, powered by algorithms, sensors, and the vision of a nation that refuses to stand still. And in the center of it all stands Yiwu, a once humble trading city now transformed into a showcase of global innovation. A place where humans and robots work side by side, where data is the new currency, and where the impossible has truly become possible. Because in China, progress doesn't wait for permission. It builds, it evolves, and it leads. And the world can only watch in awe as the dawn of intelligent automation unfolds before our eyes. Under the glow of neon lights and the hum of perfectly synchronized machines, the Yiwu Trade Hub never sleeps. While the rest of the world winds down for the night, this colossal ecosystem of technology continues to pulse with life. Robots glide smoothly across polished floors, their movements almost graceful, their sensors flickering like fireflies in a darkened warehouse. The air hums with quiet precision, a harmony of human engineering and artificial intelligence that feels both futuristic and strangely organic. In one corner of the complex, a swarm of autonomous robots assembles complex packaging with zero-error rates. They communicate with each other through invisible networks, predicting movements before they happen, coordinating without words, without hesitation. Each unit knows its role, its path, and its objective, a living digital consciousness spread across thousands of metallic bodies. This is what the future of labor looks like: intelligent, tireless, and incredibly precise. The core of this entire operation is the central AI control hub, often described by engineers as the brain of Yiwu. It's a massive neural network system capable of analyzing millions of data points every second. Every product, every robot, every human within the facility is tracked and optimized. If one path gets congested, the AI automatically reroutes another. If a certain product line surges in demand, production and packaging are instantly adjusted. It's an intelligent nervous system running the world's largest marketplace. This level of seamless coordination was once thought impossible. Just a decade ago, logistics and trade hubs struggled with inefficiency, manual labor, human error, and outdated systems slowed everything down. But China refused to accept limitations. It poured billions into artificial intelligence research, robotics engineering, and data infrastructure. The result? A self-thinking trade ecosystem that has rewritten the rules of global commerce. And the most astonishing part? These robots are not just programmed, they are learning. Each task completed feeds back into their neural memory, improving efficiency over time. The longer they work, the smarter they become. It's evolution at machine speed. Engineers no longer need to micromanage every step, they simply set parameters, and the system finds the most effective way forward. Imagine a future where factories, ports, and cities all operate with this level of autonomy, where goods move seamlessly from production to shipment to delivery, guided not by humans but by intelligent systems that anticipate needs before they arise. Yiwu is that vision brought to life. It's the prototype of the future global economy, frictionless, predictive, and impossibly efficient. International observers visiting the hub often describe it as stepping into another world. Giant digital screens display real-time data, showing the flow of millions of products through invisible channels. The eye's visual interface looks more like a living map, glowing veins of trade and motion. Each pulse of light represents movement, shipments leaving for ports, orders fulfilled, deliveries en route. It's as if the entire complex has a heartbeat. And then there are the humanoid assistants, AI robots designed not just for labor, but for interaction. They greet visitors, answer questions, and assist workers with complex logistics tasks. Their speech patterns are natural, their facial recognition systems precise, their decision-making eerily human. Some can even interpret emotions through tone and facial expression, adapting their responses to ensure smoother communication. This isn't just automation, it's empathy coded into circuits. These advancements are a direct reflection of China's long-term strategy to lead the world in artificial intelligence and robotics by integrating them into real-world applications. While other nations debate or delay, China builds quietly, efficiently, and relentlessly. The success of the Yiwu Trade Hub proves that vision, scale, and innovation can coexist when driven by determination. The economic implications are enormous. Analysts predict that within the next decade, AI-driven trade centers like Yiwu could handle the majority of global e-commerce logistics. Faster processing, fewer errors, lower costs, all powered by machines that never rest. This means that global trade could soon operate around the clock, unbound by human schedules or fatigue. It's the dawn of perpetual commerce. But behind the gleaming metal and endless data streams lies something deeper, a philosophical shift. For centuries, progress depended on human labor. Now, intelligence itself has become the new engine of growth. Machines don't just follow instructions, they innovate within their boundaries. They find better ways to achieve goals humans once thought unreachable. In one section of the hub, robotic arms handle fragile glass ornaments with incredible delicacy. Their sensors detect microvibrations to prevent even the slightest crack. In another section, AI-guided drones fly overhead, scanning every aisle and transmitting live feedback to the central system. These flying sentinels ensure safety, efficiency, and balance, maintaining a digital order no human supervisor could ever achieve. And yet, amidst this ocean of automation, humans still play a vital role. Technicians oversee system integrity, programmers refine algorithms, and designers imagine new robot models with enhanced dexterity and intuition. The goal isn't to replace humans entirely, it's to elevate them. To free people from repetitive labor so they can focus on creation, innovation, and exploration. The impact of Yiwu's AI revolution extends far beyond China's borders. Countries worldwide are now studying this model, hoping to replicate its success. The combination of AI robotics, 5G connectivity, and smart infrastructure represents the ultimate blueprint for 21st century industry. It's a reminder that those who master automation will shape the global economy. For China, this achievement is not just about technology, it's about identity. It demonstrates the nation's ability to imagine, design, and execute complex visions on an unimaginable scale. The message is clear: China is not following the future, it's creating it. Even environmental concerns have been addressed in the design. The entire facility runs on a hybrid system of renewable energy. Solar panels line the roofs, and smart grids regulate power distribution in real time. Energy waste is minimal, and sustainability is integrated into every circuit and conveyor belt. It's an ecosystem built not just for efficiency but for endurance. At dawn, as the first rays of sunlight hit the glass walls of the trade hub, the scene is surreal. Robots glide effortlessly between shelves, drones hover silently above, and the hum of AI servers echoes like a heartbeat of progress. Workers arrive not to do manual tasks, but to collaborate with intelligent systems guiding them, improving them, learning from them. The partnership between man and machine has never looked more harmonious. From a small trading city to a global technological landmark, Yiwu's transformation symbolizes something profound: that the limits of possibility exist only until someone dares to challenge them. And China has done exactly that. As the world watches in awe, one truth becomes undeniable: the future isn't waiting for anyone. It's already here, and it's powered by intelligence, both human and artificial. Because in Yiwu, China didn't just build a market. It built a miracle, a living demonstration of what can happen when innovation meets ambition, and when a nation decides that the word impossible simply doesn't exist. As the sun sets over the skyline of Yiwu, the lights of the global trade hub ignite once again, illuminating a sea of intelligent machines and tireless movement. From above, the glowing patterns of activity resemble neural pathways inside a colossal digital brain, a living organism made not of flesh and bone, but of steel, data, and determination. The hum of robots blends with the faint sounds of distant voices, engineers, technicians, and innovators who have dedicated their lives to pushing humanity forward. This is no longer just a marketplace. It's a vision of tomorrow made real, a proof that with relentless innovation, humanity can transcend its limitations. The impossible has become possible, not through luck, but through belief, discipline, and technology that thinks beyond human boundaries. Around the world, nations are watching, some with admiration, others with disbelief. Global industries are now questioning how far they've fallen behind. What took decades of human coordination is now executed by algorithms in mere seconds. Global industries are now questioning how far they've fallen behind. What took decades of human coordination is now executed by algorithms in mere seconds. The global balance of innovation is shifting, and Yiwu stands at the center of it all, a monument to what's achievable when vision meets precision. From manufacturing and logistics to design and research, China has opened a new chapter in the story of progress, one where AI and robotics no longer play supporting roles, but lead the transformation. Every discovery made here lays the foundation for smarter cities, cleaner industries, and more connected societies. The line between human creativity and artificial intelligence continues to blur, and in that merging, something extraordinary is born. The Yiwu AI Robotics Project isn't just a technological feat, it's a message to the world. A message that says, if we can imagine it, we can build it. It proves that innovation isn't bound by geography or politics, it's powered by will, intelligence, and the courage to break boundaries. As night deepens, the Trade Hub continues its work endlessly, flawlessly. Robotic arms stretch like synchronized dancers, drones hum through corridors of light, and servers pulse with the rhythm of progress. It's as if the city itself is dreaming of a future where efficiency and intelligence coexist in perfect balance. And as those dreams unfold, one truth becomes crystal clear: this is just the beginning. Yiwu's success is the spark that will ignite a global race towards smarter, more autonomous worlds. The future of trade, production, and innovation will no longer depend solely on human hands, but on the harmonious collaboration between human genius and artificial intellect. In the grand tapestry of history, there are moments when humanity takes a leap so great that it redefines what's possible. The unveiling of next-generation AI robotics at Yiwu is one of those moments. It stands as a reminder that progress doesn't wait, it evolves, it learns, it builds. And China, once again, has shown that when it comes to building the future, it's already several steps ahead. So as the world watches this incredible transformation unfold, one can't help but wonder, if this is what's possible today, what will tomorrow look like? Because in Yiwu, the impossible is no longer a dream. It's the daily reality, powered by intelligence, driven by vision, and perfected by innovation. This is the future, and it has already begun.